guys, so you join me here in my Discovery 3 with a V8 in it and a manual gearbox. We are currently on our way to the MOT centre to get it MOT'd. This is the first time of properly driving it. I've driven it up and down the road but not been out of gears or anything. And yeah, it's good. It's obviously in some kind of limp mode, the engine. I can only assume it's something to do with the engine not knowing that it's not in park neutral. So there's nothing up on the dash or anything, and the engine itself is fine. I've got all my sensors on, and my gap tool is reading temperature and everything like that. That's all fine. It basically just feels like after probably maybe a quarter throttle, there's just nothing. You can do whatever you want with the pedal, it won't do anything. So I suspect it's to do with not having a signal from the auto box as to what gear it's in, but there's a chance it could be the pedal, so I might just try swapping the pedal, see if that makes a difference. But hopefully it should still mean it will pass MOT. It does sound good, it does sound really good, not too noisy as well, which is what I wanted. Overall, pretty happy with it. The steering is a bit all over the place. It needs tracking, it's full alignment because I've put all the new suspension arms on it. So that's one of the jobs still to do. But overall, yeah, very happy with it. The only warning light I've got on the dash is the parking brake light. Having read the code on that, and that's only amber. Having read the code on that, it's just that it's missing the transmission control module. All of the modules have that code, which is to be expected. However, the parking brake is the only one that seems to throw that code, or throw the light, sorry. I'm hoping it's not going to cause a problem for the MOT. We shall see. Unfortunately, coming to a hill, which is not ideal. But, so one of the things I've been trying to figure out is if the standard Autobox loom has signal output for sport mode. So on your stick, if you stick it over into sport manual, is there a specific signal for that, to try and then see if I can trick the ECU into thinking it's in the sport mode, thus releasing all of the power, because it should have 300-ish horsepower and it's currently got, I guess, probably pushing 100 at most, if that. It's so limited to say. It feels like the throttle isn't going past a quarter open. But you know, that's the unfortunate situation of not being able to drive the car until I can drive it to the MOT. Yeah, you know, hopefully it doesn't cause a problem for the MOT, but we'll see. And if it does, then I'll have to fix it. If not,